Hey guys, welcome back to How to Escape. This is Rob Rena, and today I'm going to be doing a very brief review of the stubby 2-inch replacement antenna by Cravenspeed for our 2013 and up Ford Escapes. I'm briefly going to be going over cost, where to find it, how easy it is to install it, the clearance differences in terms of height off our rooftops, as well as radio reception and performance. Let's get started. $20 on Amazon. It shipped pretty quickly. They advertise it's precision machined billet aluminum, which is just solid aluminum that they turn down. Durable powder coat finish that they say won't wear or fade, and then they have a threaded stainless stud at the bottom that they say that is corrosion resistant. So you open the box, and at first you think your antenna is missing, but then it's right there. It's a little tiny thing. It's literally 2 inches long. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's very small. So now that we know this is certainly going to be a smaller replacement for the factory 10-inch long antenna, let's see how this installs, what the differences are, and how well it works. Installation is super easy. Just unscrew the factory antenna like so and reinstall the stubby. Alright, so first let's discuss why you would even get a shorter antenna like this. What is the benefit? Some people say that this antenna kind of looks like a remote control toy car antenna, but some people really like the short look. On a more practical level, it can become a clearance issue with things like parking garages or garage doors, anything like that. Now, if we're talking buying this antenna to aid with clearance issues, this factory antenna measures 10 inches from the base. Now, from the actual top of the car, you measure 9¼ inches. So measuring the stubby antenna is 2 inches from the base, 2 inches and 3/4 from the top of the vehicle, which is just slightly over the height of the factory roof rack. Now, this is clearly a big deal if you're trying to reduce the clearance height of the vehicle. This would be a big help there. All right, so let's talk performance for this little antenna. After about a week of using it, commuting 17 miles into work from my house in the suburbs of Central Virginia, going into the city, I found that signal was certainly better in the city, but as I would go further away, this antenna had about 80% of the reception strength that my factory antenna had. And I know it's going to vary from person to person. We all live in different places. Radio towers are located in different places. But comparing my normal radio station listening with my factory antenna compared to this was slightly weaker. Now, I don't know if that's a break point because it wasn't bad enough that I had to change the channel. I can't say I was totally surprised for the performance reduction, but if reducing the height of your vehicle is critical and you must do that for your daily routine for where you have to park in the city or in an apartment or in a parking garage or something like that, or if you really just want to change the aesthetic of your Escape because you don't like the factory antenna look, this really isn't a bad option. So try it. I would say it can't hurt. If you're really looking for a smaller antenna, I would recommend this. So in summary, this 2-inch stubby antenna is very low cost, it's $20. It's very easy to swap out with the factory antenna. You're saving 6½ inches of roof clearance, and it has generally good performance. So that is it for our review of the 2-inch Stubby Jr. replacement antenna for our factory antennas on 2013 and up Ford Escapes. It's worth checking out. Again, link for Amazon is below. And if you thought this video was helpful, please like it, please share it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching How to Escape. We'll see you next time.